Yeah, guys. So here we are in Nan. We found this beautiful golden temple. It's really nice. Yeah, it looks like real gold. Of course, it's not gold. It's just golden color, but it's really beautiful. Nan is the province in Thailand with the most amount of temples. It has over 490 temples. So if you love Thai culture and Thai Lana culture, yeah, the culture from the Lana kingdom, you have to come to Nan. Hey guys, so we are here at the strawberry farm. Just made a stop because we want to have some strawberries for breakfast.
It's really beautiful here.
Yeah, it's so nice. Take a look at that. Yeah, in North Thailand there is many strawberry farms. It's everywhere. The weather here is cooler, so there is strawberries. In the rest of Thailand, it's just too hot, too humid, and no strawberries. So yeah, if you want to have really good strawberries, you should come to where?
Nan.
Yes. Sam is getting ready. He's going to make one of his videos. Oh, and he's got the
This is to go here.
Yeah.
It's good for riding the bike, but just like POV view.
POV, yeah. Good.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Really, so many flowers. Is this umbrella thing? Nice. You alright, Sam?
No. I need
Any
help.
help?
Because there's like 3 components here along with this. There's no instructions. We need an instruction manual.
Instruction manual. You got it like from Lazada or something?
Yeah, like a couple hundred baht.
It doesn't look good. Your iPhone 15 is gonna.
Oh god, don't say that.
Bye bye iPhone 15. It's okay. You said you're gonna get iPhone 16, right?
Yeah, but not until end of the year. Yeah, I'm not sure how to do this.
Shall I help you out?
Yeah, we could.
Okay, guys. I'll be back in a second. So.
Gonna scrap that idea.
Yeah.
It's cheap.
It's cheap
not,
quality.
It's not good quality.
It took us like 10 minutes to. Yeah.
It's not worth
To
it.
get it done. Yeah.
I don't want to lose my iPhone.
Yeah, you
So.
get what you get what you pay for.
Yeah, true.
My grandmother say cheap things are expensive.
True.
True.
That's a good saying.
You wanna get the strawberries?
Yeah, sure. Get some strawberries.
Okay, at least we'll buy strawberries.
It's like dried strawberries here.
These ones are dried.
Yeah.
แผ่นเท่าไหร่ครับสวัสดีแผ่น
Nice.
ร้อยเดียว
Very
อันนี้ละ
colourful. Got a big old strawberry here.
อันนี้
Bigger than me. And beautiful
โอเค
strawberry.
ครับ
Look at
ควร
that.
เอาอะไรไม่รู้ ใช่ครับ
Very nice.
ครับผมครับ You wanna get like dry ones or
Just normal.
dries are good, huh?
Really?
Have you ever tried it?
No?
They're very good.
Okay.
And I think they don't put. Oh, they put 5% sugar though. Some they don't have sugar, but yeah, that's like 5% sugar. But they're very good though. You wanna try?
Yeah.
เอาลูกแผ่นครับ
Tao Rai Cup.
100 ครับ
Right.
100ครับ100 baht
100 baht. Nice.
100 baht for dried strawberries.
Yes.
Let's try it out.
Yes. There you go.
Okay.
I've never tried dried strawberries.
It's quite good. Quite good. They're
Just fresh ones that were.
I like it. Right? It's a little bit sour, but not that much.
Yeah, a little bit, but tasty.
It's good.
Fresh dried strawberry
Oh, you didn't see that?
on a strawberry farm.
I throw it in the air, it
One
pump
more
on my
time.
lip, and then I got it again on my hand.
Try and do it in your mouth. Got it. Well, hey.
One more. Oh, I hit my teeth.
Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
I can't see if I look up.
You have to open your eyes. Oh my.
Well done. Wait. Ready?
Don't throw it that high.
Ready? Good though.
It's good, yeah.
I'm gonna shade. No problem.
Really hot. Shall we get going?
Mm.
Let's go.
Or should we sit down?
Yeah, we
Some
can.
strawberries.
Okay, guys, let's sit down and have some strawberries. Okay, this looks very romantic, but we are not a couple. Yeah, I like dry ones.
Ah. I like dried cranberries.
Yeah, it's similar taste, right?
It's good.
Have you ever had-
I'll definitely eat this again.
Had you ever had dried strawberries in England?
No.
Me neither. I think it's maybe now it's a thing too, but I only seen it in Thailand.
Yeah, I've never seen it anymore. But it's good.
So let's go. We are on the bikes. It's really nice road, but now it's a little bit hot. Woo. Oh, I forgot the navigator. Hold on. I forgot the navigator. Otherwise, we don't know where we're going. I forgot the navigator. Oh, it's just straight on. But I didn't know. Hello, Sam. Ready?
Ready,
Let's go! Boom! And it's overtaken! Konnichiwa.
Sawadee Cup. I mean no harm. I come in peace. Look at this one.
It's running.
Yeah. Pretty quick. Now we know how fast it can go. In case the charger isn't gonna run away.
Saying hi to... Is that the mom?
Just scared.
Yeah. Saying hi to the mom. It's a baby. It's a baby buffalo.
Hear that?
It's flat, yeah?
Really good.
Alright guys, that was our buffalo adventure with my friend the buffalo and the
Hey.
other animals.
They were friendly. They were very friendly.
They're very friendly, yeah. I'm ready. Too bad they didn't want to play with me. So we are here on the way to the national park to sleep on a tent. It's so beautiful. Take a look at the background. It's all the cornfields, palm trees, coconut, mountains in the background. Beautiful.
Head southwest.
Hello.
Turn left.
สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ นี่อะไรอร่อย
มีอร่อยทุกอย่างค่ะ
อร่อยทุกอย่าง โอเค
แม่ค้าต้องบอกว่าอร่อยทุกอย่างคุณผู้จ้างคุณผู้จ้างไอ้คนหลัง
กาแฟสดก็มีนะ
กาแฟด้วย
เฟรนฟราย
French
French fries
เฟรนฟรายนั่งนี่ได้จ้ะกาแฟไปอีกนั่งเลยจ้ะคุณหมอนะวันนั่งห้างนี้นั่งกับจ้ะดูรูปภาพนี่ก็ได้เนี่ย ไก่ทอดเกลือก็มีข้าวผัดนี่แม่นตัวนี้แม่น
มีผัดกระเพรา
มีค่ะกะเพราอะไรดีคะมีหมูกรอบหมูสับชิคเก้น ไก่
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 ไก่พิเศษ
พิเศษไข่ดาว
ไข่เจียว
ไข่เจียว
สองใบ
2 ใบโอ้ไข่เจียว2 ใบได้เหรอ
ไม่ใส่พริก
อ๋อไม่ใส่พริก
ใส่
ใส่นิดนึง
ไม่ต้องใส่กันนี่เลย
ไม่บอกกินพริกแต่ไข่เจียว2แกน
ไม่กิน
จ้ะไม่ใส่พริกเลยแล้วนี่ล่ะ
เอาข้าวหน้าหมูกรอบ
ข้าวหน้าหมูกรอบไข่ดา
ไข่
ว
ดาว2
เหมือนกัน
พร้อมใส่พริกก็ได้
ไม่ใส่พริกเหมือนกั
ใช่
น
ใช่
เอาน้ำอะไร
เอาน้ำเปล่าน้ำเปล่าที่วางก็ได้
น้ำเปล่าก
าแฟเอาไหม
you want it
ไม่เหลือ
ชาไทย
ชาเขียวชาไทย
ถือว่ากินข้าวก่อน
กินข้าวก่อนโอเคผู้ข้าวหน้าหมูกรอบไข่ดาว2กล่องใส่แล้ว2กล่องนั่งจ้ะ
I'm not gonna record it. It's too much footage.
I am recording on the GoPro
No, I think I don't want to record it for YouTube.
just in case
หนาวเป็นไรหรอก
but it's like you know it's not even
Alright, we've just made a pit stop. We're very close to the camping spot. We decided we're going to go camping. And we just paid the national park fee of around 120 baht. And then we're going to sit back. And now we've stopped off. I'm going to get pad pow. Not spicy. And Martin's going to get...
ข้าวหน้าหมูกรอบ like veggies with crispy pork
again, same one. We're doing that.
spicy I get the spicy so yeah my dish got first
That looks good.
ข้าวหน้าหมูกรอบ
Yeah.
with 2 eggs on top หิวไหม Okay, so let's break the egg first. Oh, so satisfying. This is what I love the best too. Or the kai dao fried egg. And then crispy pork. It's not very crispy, but it still looks good.
Smells good.
Yeah, it smells really good. It's hot. But it's yummy. Very good.
Not as crispy as you like it.
It's not crispy, but it's still good. The taste of the pork here on the mountains, it tastes better than in Bangkok.
What's that
Yeah.
one called? The dish?
Kana mukro.
Vegetable.
I don't
with-
know how to call this vegetable in English. Do you know?
It's not. Is it bean sprout or long bean? I don't
No,
know.
it's not that.
No.
It's just like a morning glory kind of thing. But it's
Maybe.
not morning
No,
glory.
it's not monoglory.
It's quite hard. Yeah, you know this one. Yeah, it's very hard.
Yeah.
Delicious.
เนี่ยอยู่บนวันสวรรค์
And yeah, Sam got his food too without
have-
chilies.
Pad krapao gai. Kai jiao song by Mai Sai Prick.
อร่อยไหม
Let's give it a go.
Good?
Really-
Good.
It's really good.
It's a lot of chicken, yeah?
Yeah.
Protein.
Tao Rai cup. 20 baht.
170 จ้ะ
170.
170
So yeah, guys, we just got to a camping area and the view is just amazing. Take a look. I'm gonna flip the camera now. Yeah, we are on top of one of the mountains. We got the whole valley behind us. It's just amazing. So beautiful.
Hey guys.
So where we are.
This is Samer Dao viewpoint.
Yeah.
And what we're looking at right now is the viewpoint towards Laos, because we're bordering Laos right now. And then across this way is where the campsite is.
Yes, we got the campsite
over
around
here.
there.
And then we got a really gorgeous valley view right there. Looks like a picture.
Yeah.
It literally looks like a picture.
This place is amazing, located in Nan, Thailand. I will share the location in the description of the video. This is outbreaking. I didn't know this place looked that great. Actually, we got the information in the bike shop where we rented the bikes. They tell
Yeah,
us.
pretty like
Because before we wanted,
impromptu.
yeah, before we wanted to go like really far away, and it was not good for a scooter. So we just got here, and this place, it's, oh my God, it's so beautiful.
This makes me want to do a cartwheel.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna do a cartwheel.
Go on.
Ready?
Woo! Okay guys, so we are staying here for the night in this beautiful camping in Nan province, as I have already said a few times in the video with.
Hi guys. Let's see what we
With
got.
Sam,
We got
yeah.
army sleeping bags.
Yeah.
It's getting busy now. Look at the people.
Yeah, it's getting busy. I thought it was gonna be less busy. But what day of the week is today? It's
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Yeah, even on a Wednesday it's busy.
Yeah.
Guess it's really beautiful place, so that's why people comes here.
Even on a Wednesday, it's busy.
Yeah.
So we got. Wow.
Wait.
What's that? That's putting on the ground.
Yeah, that's to put it on the ground so it's softer. And then yeah, we got a sleeping bag.
Yeah.
U.S. Army.
I'll put this down. You can sleep on this one.
Okay.
To yours. Like that. Where's the head? There you go.
I don't know.
Like that.
And then you can sleep outside.
Now I'll sleep outside. Yeah.
Good night, everyone. So guys, take a look at this amazing sunset. Do you like the view?
I love the view. This is really nice. Holy shit.
We just woke up, it's 6 a.m., 6:15. We're gonna see the sunrise. It's quite busy, everyone woke up early. But look at this. Woo! I look so sleepy.